Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to Blossom University. And today I wanted to show you a very exclusive Blossoming Jasmine money heel. And for those who don't know me, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Blossoming Jasmine and I create beautiful custom Swarovski items. This is just a shoe that I created for myself, and I was really considering pairing this shoe with this beautiful purse that I saw, which was by the Gaudy spot. And I love her purses. This purse's name is called the Gaudy Benny Frank. And I love to make custom items for specific events that I'm going to. So I'm considering getting this bag for my homecoming event. But it's really important, ladies, when you do decide to wear Swarovski shoes. A major key is to keep your feet done and to keep the back of your heels and just your feet in general moisturized. You should just have moisturized and super soft skin anyways. But another bag is this Judith Liebert. Like, this is the original bag right here. So if you have a few stacks to spend, then I would definitely recommend getting this money bag by Judith Liebert. But this is just one version of how the shoe looks. The shoe definitely looks different in different lighting. So I'm going to switch up the scene, and I just really want you guys to get the full effect of what this shoe looks like. It really looks like a white light. So it just looks like my feet are glowing, I guess I could say, or radiating. So that is truly how it looks. I don't think that the camera is really capturing the sparkle. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't, I encourage you to remember to follow me on Instagram at Blossom and Jasmine. Love you lots, ladies. See you in my next video. Bye.